Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and for today's video is going to be a full face of Colourpop. So if you guys are interested for this kind of video, then just keep on watching. So for those of you new to my channel, my name is Princess and I do a lot of beauty content, particularly this full face of makeup. There's a lot of full face that you can do. Particularly, I am going to do a one brand full face right now, and it is the Colourpop brand. For those of you new don't know Colourpop, it is a kind of indie at first, indie brand, and then they branch out to they used to be in Sephora, and then they kind of got up in there, and then instead they went to Ulta Beauty, and then now they are on Target, like just recently. So they are affordable makeup products, and some people don't like them anymore because every week they have a new releases and they don't restock their like kind of staple products, especially like eyeshadows and some of the lipsticks. And these are the like a mix and match in here. I don't have any, like, I didn't complete my skincare right now because I do have this Fort Ray Beauty Glisten Up Illuminating Mist, and Fort Ray is their sister brand, and then I think they have a Soul and Body sister brand too. So, and this one is I believe this is like kind of vitamin C something in there. So I'm going to spray this one first because I only have toner, so this one is like liquid. So and press it. And then I'm going to use my serum here just to have extra hydration on my skin, because I do have, before I do have combination, now I really have a dry skin. And then just gonna do my moisturizing cream. And then I do have their lip mask duo here because my lips are really dry. I do have the Powerpuff Girls Ultra something. It is a overnight lip mask, but I feel like this one is gonna help my lips to hydrate it. So we're gonna take it off anyway later on after I finish the eyes and face makeup. So I do have two of them here. We have the blue one and the pink one. They are brand new to me. I bought them last year, but I haven't used them yet. Oh, this one smells good. So I'm gonna go to the pink one. Ooh, really smells vanilla. It's very hydrating. So I'm just gonna leave it like that for now. This Colourpop Clear Feather Effect Styling Wax, and I chose the clear one because sometimes I just wanted to have like a just put it up my brows spoolie. And then I'm just gonna let this wet a little bit. So I did use this Mario Badescu, and then just maybe bend it a little bit. So that's how they are. And then At first it is like kind of really hard to take this off. So far so good. For some reason I really don't like this precision brow pencil they have, because I feel like it doesn't give me the even though I try to press it hard. And I ended up like getting a lot of redness in here every time I put it on. Oh, what I'm gonna do, I'm going to grab my Anastasia Beverly Hills and fill this out. So the next one we have in here is the Pretty Fresh Hyaluronic Creamy Concealer in the shade of Light 45W. And this is how it looks like, the shade. So it's very creamy, although I prefer the first concealer they had, because that one, it is much more of a pigmented, and I like the finish of that one instead of this. This one, it feels like just doesn't stay in my opinion. So I'm going to use this one as a cleaning up my eyebrows a little bit. And then the leftover I'm going to use as a base. Look how it is. It's always like getting out of my thing. Doesn't stay there. So I do have two eyeshadow palettes in here. I do have the Big Poppy. I don't know if they still have this in the website. This is like kind of more of all matte eyeshadows, so it doesn't have any mirror. This is their 9-pan pressed powder palette. And then I do have the Big Leo Energy, their quads. This is how it looks like. So I decided to combine these two because they have on the same range of color. But I am going to start with this first. I'm going to use this one right here, Warm Hearted. Use this one right here, the Flower Power. And just like in the middle, right here. I'm going to use this one right here. This is the Charisma. Glitter gel for like inner corner. And then I'm going to use this yellow right here, like kind of gold, and I think this is center stage. Now I'm gonna go curl my lashes. I'm not gonna put any liquid eyeliner because I don't really do much of this anymore. But this is how it looks like though. I can do it too thick, too thin. And the other thing is a little bit it's not really matte. It does have a little bit of gloss in here, but yeah. What I do is after I put this on, I use a black eyeshadow to like make it like kind of more of a smoky. So today I'm not gonna use that. And I do have these mascara, the Act Natural Defining Mascara in black. I prefer this one compared to the first mascara they have, the BFF mascara. I'll be right back. I'm going to pop out some lashes on. Here is the Pretty Fresh Hyaluronic Tinted Moisturizer, and it's in the shade of medium W. I don't have any primer, face primer for Colourpop, and then I did do my moisturizing cream anyway, so I'm going to put this one. What I do is like I wanted to press it like that first. And then I use a wet sponge and then blend it. And then I do have the concealer again to lighten up my under eyes. I do have two serum blush in here. I do have the Psst and the Sour Cherry. So I'm going to do, I'm gonna combine them together. So this is how it looks like. So I just need a little bit dot. Pressed powder, and it's in the shade Fair 1, like a fair, and have sponge here. We have some face palette here. I do have the Such a Rush Cheek palette, and it does have a highlighter, bronzer, and 2 blush. So the bottom part are the 2 blushes, and then the highlighter and the bronzer here. So I'm going to use the bronzer. The highlighter, we have the light sticks in here, and it's in the shade of Bullseye. I've been loving this lately, and this is how it looks like. It's really gold, so I like to put it right here. The next one I have in here, it is their Pretty Fresh Hyaluronic Acid Setting Mist, and so far I like this one. Fan this out. 2 kinds of lipsticks in here. I do have the first Luxe lipstick in here, and then I do have their Luxe Velvet. So far I like the this one right here. As you guys can see how it is, I always put this in my purse, and what happened in this one compared to the 2, which is the right here. So this one is the Big Bang, and the dark color shade, it is the Zoom Zoom, and then the lightest one, it is the Honey Pie. I feel like this one is not gonna do like pigment set, so I'm just gonna clean up a little bit here, and then this is how it looks like. And then when I put it on my lips, it is really nice.
I like to see it like this.
I feel like this one's not gonna look good on this. I think it does. So I'm going to do is put a little bit of High Striker, and this is how it looks like. Like I said, this is their first kind of lip Luxe lipstick. So I'm just gonna top it off right there. So this is how it looks like, the full face of Colourpop. Although I did use some of the other products here, but main products are the Colourpop brand. So yeah, that's it for you guys. I hope you did like this video. Please give this a thumbs up, and see you on my next video. Bye.